If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings. Mail call day today. So let's get right into the box. All right. I kind of know what this is, maybe, but then I don't want to give it away. Here we go. Here we go. So, what's in this box? You're
Careful.
thinking, what's in this here box? Well, this knife's not really sharp enough. I need to get and have it sharp, and I need it sharp. Still, I just had it sharp, but still need to get a little bit better sharp than that. There. So there we go. Well, that's uno. Here we go. Now, a special thank you to one of my viewers for sending me this box of goodies. And what we have here is ink samples and inks and some cool stuff. Wow, that's cool. I better put all this in here. So, here we go. Well, she sent some pens, and one looks like a preppy. That's interesting. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So I will spend some time on these pens when I'm doing my pen reviews and giveaways. So that's going to come in handy. And she sent quite a bit of ink samples, some that I wanted to try. There's some Robert Oster Tranquility and Converse Morning Star number 11, and some of these I've never even tried, so I have interest to see what they taste like on paper. And these little clips for looks like what do you call paper clips? Is that not these paper clips? I'll have to read the note. And here is some more.
Yeah, these little clip things.
And here is some more cool ink cartridges for, like for Pelikan ink cartridges that will come in handy to see some of the flavors that they are. And last but not least, here is some Diamine Poppy Red. So that is going to be very, very interesting. So I want to stay in touch with that. Make sure I put everything back in there. Seal that up. And that should do it. And make sure nothing's there. I'm looking to see. Okay, well, anyway, so a special thank you to Ann. Thank you, Ann Moffat, for sending this to me. Appreciate it. Many, many thanks. So, let's go to round number 2. And this is from Frank from Federalist Pens, and this is how it came. Squash. Wouldn't you say, Mr. Nelson?
Just slightly.
Like it's like a squash, like a that, like a bam. So I just hope the inside's not damaged. It does say top, so on top. So let's get this little jewel open and do some surgery on it. Wow, where do I begin?
Where do you start?
I have no idea. I guess I'll start right here. Here we go. 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 Shalong, shilling, shalom. All right, all right, all right. It's age of the revolution. Well, you know. I got them there. Nope. Shickalickalaw, it says. All right. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, happy birthday! Thank you, Frank from Federalist Pins. Thank you. Here we go. La 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 la. Let's see. I got like this. Where did I begin? Oh my God, here it is. Let's start with this one first. All right. Well, I know it's Robert Oster Ink. Isn't that how you pronounce it?
Oster.
Oster? Almost like Oster?
Not like oyster.
Not like Oster? I said it again.
Oster.
Oster! Is that right? Okay, here we go. And,
Some Frankly colors.
yes, it is the Frankly Blue, baby, and the Frankly Fifth. Two inks that I wanted very, very much. This is the newest edition for Federalist Pens, the Frankly Fifth, for his 5th anniversary. Very cool. And then this is some awesome Frankly Blue ink that I really enjoy using. So we'll be doing an update review on this to show you these colors again. And I am going to be inking up some pens with some of this here ink for sure. So boom, that's that. Alrighty. Let's see. A tube of, what is in here? Let's put this down again. Very interesting. It's a map to treasure. Buried treasure. And we'll open that up. And we'll open it. Gotcha. Very nice. Very cool. Very cool.
Oh, sample ink colors.
Yes. This is very, very cool. Go ahead and describe it, Mr. Announcer. I can see it back
Okay,
there.
Robert Oster signature swatch browser.
Wow. Yeah, that is very cool. Now, does this have anything, a name on here going on down here? Because
Let's
I
see.
can't see behind.
Oh, and it's got Federalist pens and paper printed at the bottom.
Okay, cool. This is really, really cool. Now I'm going to turn around and look at it. That is really, really cool. Now I can actually see a lot of these colors without trying to go online and look them up. But let me again let you show you this again.
I didn't realize you had that many inks.
Look at that. That is really a nice color chart for Robert Oster inks right there. So if you're ever wondering about what they look like, who they are, and you can find them over at Federalist Pens and Paper. Get in touch with Frank, baby. He'll take care of you. Some dynamite, good looking ink. Popping ink. Yep. I'm looking at that Bishop to King. That's very interesting already. Bang. And Dragon Knight. Well, I can go on and on. But anyway, very cool. Okay. That's the place for you. Ta-da! That's the man right there. Okay. Let's see. Trick or treat. Anything else in there? Let me see. Okay. Well, a few more things, I think. Some more inks. Good. And nothing got damaged. Good. Make sure everything's out of this.
Let's have a moment of silence for the box.
Yes, moment of silence. Well, I did get it straightened out. Hello! Okay. All right, here we go. Put all this stuff in there. Okay, now let's get busy. I need to get a frame for this. I mean, for this. Yeah. What is that? Look. Okay. So, here's some blotter cards that I always need being an ink person, these come in handy. These will come in handy. So let's get this going on here. So, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What do you think? Here we go. Well, this is pretty cool how they come. First for me to see. All right. And you can...
Okay, here, this one is labeled Carter's Midnight Blue Black.
And this one is Oster Smoke Screen.
Here is Oster Black is Black.
All right, I'm going to taste that one too. Go ahead.
Oster Black Violet.
And here's some Schaefer. Go ahead, while I get this one out.
Schaefer Script Blue Black.
And I got two more left in here. All right. And go with that one. I'll get this last one out.
Here is Oster Blue Black.
And this is a nib.
Architect Nib F by Nib Grinder.
All right, so here is a Federalist Pens Bach nib by Arctic F by Nib Grinder. So let's just take this little jewel out. I will be checking this nib out, and this will be a very interesting nib to get into. So I'll be doing a review on that. So there you have it, my friend. Birthday wishes. Yay! My birthday! Birthday, birthday, birthday. Birthday, birthday, birthday. See, my only problem is I like birthdays, but I don't like getting birthdays because it's like the more birthdays I get, it's like kind of like the older I get. And see, here's my problem. Can you bear with me, my friends? All right. It's like, I know how old I am, okay? I'm with that. But to try to explain to my brain that I am not 16 or 21 anymore. I'm just a little over, 28 now? Something like that. It just doesn't jive, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, Frank, really, thank you a lot. And before I go, I want to mention something real quick, what I'm working on. And you will be notified, meeting all the viewers. Right now, I'm working on having a live stream with Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper on, where folks can come into is that the chat room?
Yes.
And actually get to talk to Frank and meet him. Is that online streaming or virtually, or what is it called?
Streaming, yes.
Yeah. And so we're working on that right now. And then after we get it all tested and set up, I will be announcing on my channel the dates, and we'll give you what is that,
you would need a hyperlink and a code number.
code. Yeah, so, we're not sure if it's going to be on Zoom or WebEx yet. We're just planning stage right now, and I'm going to put it on my Facebook groups and Twitter, and what else do I have out there? Twitter, Instagram. Yeah, and then we'll have other people put it on their sites so we can get the word out there about Federalist Pens and Paper. And how cool is that? You'll be able to meet and talk with Frank, the owner of Federalist Pens, and ask him questions. I mean, really get to know Frank. Wow, I mean, that's pretty awesome, I think. I mean, it's not every day you get to talk and meet pen dealers, right? Just to hang out with them and just check out what's happening, right? So that's what's happening in my world. Well, I'm going to let you guys go, and thank you for joining me today on Mail Call Day. It was really a big trick-or-treat birthday, and thank you to Ann again. Thank you, and thank you. And did I say thank you, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Oh, did I do this?
Very good.
Very good. Yeah, this guy's a nut. I can dig it. I can live with that. All right. God bless. Remember, wash. Wear the mask. Stay the distance. And as always, don't text and drive. Before I go, my little friend, follow the bouncing eyeball. Ding, ding, ding. Bye-bye. Hold it like a law. Bye.